Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can send files to your people using Line. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line app on your phone and go to chat, and you can go to any chat or you can start a new chat as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and my group over here. And if you want to send any type of files, you can do that. You can see the plus icon on the bottom left hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the files option. Go ahead and tap on files, and as soon as you tap on it, you can see some of your files. So you can click on the settings option, go to documents and find your document. So you can just go ahead and select the document where it is. So you can just go ahead and see this week option. If the files are over there, they will be shown. So go ahead and go to downloads and you can see some of the documents. Go ahead and select the document which you want, click OK, and you can see this Word file has been attached. Now you can share it to your friends. I'm going to show this process to you once again. Click on the plus icon, click on files, and you can see some of your documents. You can also go ahead and search for them individually. And you can see you can also send the videos and photos in the highest quality possible using this. What you want to do is go ahead and select the thing you want to share. After you select it, go ahead and click OK, and you can see the file will be sent. I hope this video about how you can send files in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.